At this stage, we've covered examples of energy efficiency opportunities in your design and procurement processes and provided strategies for identifying and implementing changes in your organization. Some changes may take time to implement, requiring commitment from leadership, buy-in from decision makers, and project lifecycle planning. In this video, we'll provide tactics that can help you make early progress, incorporating energy efficiency into your design and procurement processes. The first tactic is to identify some quick wins. Some examples include changing purchase specifications on equipment that can be upgraded without significant impact. For instance, premium efficiency motors instead of standard efficiency ones when it makes sense. For another quick win, review your upcoming project pipeline for opportunities. Equipment replacements, process retooling, or facility upgrades can present low-risk efficiency opportunities that will demonstrate the value of considering energy performance. Another idea is to identify equipment that is near end of life, but is not yet in the project pipeline. Reviewing equipment lists can help identify upcoming replacements, giving you time to build the business case for upgrades. The next tactic is to start making a business case for specific opportunities. First, ensure that you incorporate all the benefits, including reduced energy costs, reduced maintenance costs, and improved productivity. You'll also want to include any rebates or incentives that are available for higher efficiency options. As well, you'll want to show how more efficient options contribute to organizational priorities, such as quality, reliability, health, and safety, and other goals or commitments, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, using the right metrics in your business case can help demonstrate support. When replacing functioning equipment, the business case typically compares the total cost of the new equipment to the annual savings that will be achieved. But if the equipment needs to be replaced anyway, you only need to compare the incremental costs and benefits. For example, if a standard efficiency rooftop unit costs $9,000 and a high efficiency unit costs $14,000, but will save an additional $1,000 per year in utility costs, the incremental cost has a 5-year payback. Total cost of ownership includes owning and operating the equipment over its lifetime. In many instances, capital costs account for only about 10% of the total cost of equipment ownership. Choosing options that provide lower ongoing operating costs can be favorable, even with a higher upfront cost. But this information needs to be captured in the business case. Because design and procurement decisions are time-sensitive, energy improvements are often dismissed as taking too long to incorporate. Highlighting the cost of inaction in both terms of annual energy costs and replacement costs can help create a sense of urgency. Inefficient equipment with a lifespan of 15 or 20 years is often replaced after 8 years or sooner to help meet utility costs or greenhouse gas emissions targets. Ensure decision makers understand how having this new, inefficient option in place for the next 10, 15, or 30 years will affect utility costs or their ability to meet greenhouse gas reduction goals or other commitments. The final tactic is to listen to people. As you start to identify early opportunities, it's important to speak to the people who operate, maintain, and design the equipment. Listening to their concerns will help you understand which opportunities might be a harder sell. It will also help you build trust by letting people know that you won't compromise their priorities and that changes will be a part of a collaborative process. They can also help you identify which opportunities pose the least risk and are likely to face the least resistance, so you can prioritize those efforts to achieve quick wins and build momentum. Incorporating energy efficiency into design and procurement processes is often the most impactful change an organization can make to achieve its energy management goals. Applying the strategies from these lessons can help you build momentum and get you on track to success.